How to permanently change the default search engine to Google in Google Chrome. In this video, I'll show you how to permanently change your default search engine to Google in Google Chrome. Start by opening Google Chrome on your Windows PC, Mac, or Chromebook. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. From the left sidebar, click Search Engine. Next, click the drop-down menu next to Search Engine Used in Address Bar and select Google. To make sure Google remains your default search engine, click Manage Search Engines and Site Search and remove any unwanted or suspicious search engines that may have been added by browser extensions or third-party software. If your search engine keeps changing automatically, go to Extensions from the Chrome menu and remove any unknown or unnecessary extensions. You may also want to run a security scan on your computer if the issue persists. That's it. You've successfully changed your default search engine to Google in Google Chrome. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.